Hey, what's up guys, today I'll be showing you how to solve a problem. If you are having this error, Windows can't be installed on this drive, and you're gonna click next, it almost gray out. So let's get started. So first of all you need to do is hit shift plus F10 on your keyboard, and it will pop up this command prompt, and all you need to do is type this part and hit enter. And after that you need to type list disks and type select disks. So you need to select this disk and type clean, and it's done. So it should be fixed the problem now. So close this and refresh. And it didn't solve the problem because I was trying to install the Windows in virtual machine, and as you can see, if you are having this kind of problems and like me, then I will be showing you the way to fix this. Okay, so as you can see, the size is 11 GB, so it's pretty small. And if you come over to this sections, Windows can't be installed on this drive, click on it and it says this partition is too small, makes the size of the partition at least 13,000 MB. So it means it's too small to install this. That's why it was occurring the problem. So it should be fixed by now. If you're having the same problem, if you're trying to install the Windows in the virtual machine, then so that's the problem. So to fix this, you need to close this. So you need to close this, make the size bigger, and it will solve the problem. So delete all of this. Okay, create a new fresh one. So here's the thing, you need to at least have 20 GB more than the 13 GB. Okay, so that's why the problem is having. So I'll just make it the 20, okay, 25, 30 GB. I'll make it 32. So create, like this. So as you can see, it's almost solved the problem. You can click next, it's not gray out. So that's how you solve the problem. If you are trying to install on the virtual machine and the problem is the storage size is pretty small, that's why the problem is occurring. You need to at least have more than 13 GB. That's why, and my size is 10 GB. That's why it was problem. So when I changed it to 32 GB, it solves the problem. So that's how you solve the problem. And if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.